Now we are at our next stanza, and we are going to practice doing the very same thing. We are going to highlight our who words, we're going to highlight our what words, and we're going to highlight our why words. So let's go ahead and get our eyes and ears ready to listen. And you're listening, do you hear any clues about who? Do you hear any clues about what? And do you hear any clues about why? Go ahead and follow along with the red pointer. Let us leave this place where the smoke blows black and the dark street winds and bends. Let's see, let's read it one more time. Let us, there's a who word. Let us leave this place where the smoke blows black and the dark street winds and bends. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my who word, us. Us is a group of people, including the speaker of the poem, and we know that they want to leave. They want to leave the place where the sidewalk ends. But we want to know why. So I'm going to get my highlighter ready in green now so we can talk about why. Do you see any reasons here why they would want to leave? Would you want to be somewhere where the smoke blows black? No. What about where the street is dark? No, the street at night at dark can be scary and it can be dangerous. So I'm going to highlight where the smoke blows black and dark street. And the reason that I highlighted those is because they tell us why. They tell us why they want to go where the sidewalk ends. Let's try those same steps again with our next stanza. We're going to read the stanza, we're going to follow along with the red dot, and then we're going to talk about our who, what, and why again. Ready? Past the pits where the asphalt flowers grow, we shall walk with a walk that is measured and slow, and watch where the chalk white arrows go to the place where the sidewalk ends. Computer's being a little funny right now. Okay, let's read that one more time so you can follow along with that red dot. You're thinking about your who, what, and why. Past the pits where the asphalt flowers grow, we shall walk with a walk that is measured and slow, and watch where the chalk white arrows go to the place where the sidewalk ends. I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna get my highlighter ready. And the first thing we're going to look for are who words. Past the pit where the asphalt flowers grow, no names there. We shall walk with a walk that is measured and slow. I highlighted that word we because it tells us about characters in the poem. And watch where the chalk white arrows go to the place where the sidewalk ends. So we is our only who word. We want to keep thinking about that what and that why. What are they doing? They're going to the place where the sidewalk ends. Do we have any clues here why they're going? No, we just know that they're on their way, that they are going there. And we know that they're going where? To the place where the sidewalk ends. And we already know that the place where the sidewalk ends is our what, because that is what was our title. So I can go ahead and highlight where the sidewalk ends because that's our what. That's what the poem is about. I'm also going to underline where the chalk white arrows go. So the kids are on the asphalt. Asphalt is that black part of the street that like you see in a parking lot. And sometimes there's cracks and flowers grow. So if it's black, because they're on the asphalt, they're taking white chalk to draw arrows to tell people, hey, go over there. That's where the sidewalk ends. Look at the arrow. Does that tell me more about our what? Does that tell me more about where the sidewalk ends? Yes. So to be a good reader, we are going to underline it for our what.